Hey, this is Dustin with Home Mender Inc. And today we are going to be replacing a exterior pre-hung steel door. Comes with the jamb, comes with the brick mold, basically everything you need, and it can be done with one person. So we're going to start tearing apart the door, pull the knob off, and I like to pull the door because it just makes it easier. You can pull off the hinges here. Out of the way. Next, we're going to take the brick mold off. The reason we're changing this door is because it's got some rotten brick mold at the bottom, and then it's already got into a rotten jamb in there. So it's best just to get a new door instead of trying to make a little repair that's not really going to hold up. So you get your super bar in there. Super bar, 12 bucks. Home Depot, they're awesome. You just pull this off. Alright, get this last side. A lot of times on a door that leads to a heated or cooled area, they will have a, this will be caulked to the J-channel. This one was not caulked, so we didn't have to worry about cutting it. Next, we're going to pull the jamb. You can just get behind it. Sometimes they're screwed, sometimes they're nailed. There we go. There we go. Out in 3 minutes, and we're basically ready to put our new door in. You should just have bare studs, usually wrapped in Tyvek or black plastic like this one, but this is all ready to go. Make sure you ain't got any nails in here. Alright, probably clean up a little bit here. If you're doing a door that does lead to a heated or cool area, guaranteed there's going to be some interior door trim on there. We usually don't change the door casing unless it's broken or rotted, but basically we cut the edge of the trim with a knife so you don't tear up the drywall when you remove it. Be gentle, clip the nails, and then it's ready to shoot back on when you're finished. Here's our new door. It's a single bore steel 32-inch shed door. We measured the door before, obviously, we bought it. You can just measure the door and get the size. All of them are, the heights are standard. This one was a 32. We bought a 32-inch door. So we're going to gently take the brick mold off because it's going to go on the other side of this door. This door swings out, so we're going to need the brick mold on the outside. All right, we got us a little something to start with. We're going to pull it. Super bar, amazing. All right, gently, we're going to pull it apart. Alright, we got our brick mold off. We're ready to go. We got a few other little things here to pull off. This little packing clip, got screws in it. And we've got a little deal down here to hold the door together. We can pull that. Alright. And we'll just make sure we're good and clean here. To the top of the door, there's going to be some screws and hardware stapled to it. Make sure you pull it before you install the door. You ain't going to get it off otherwise. And then we've got some little clips on the bottom. There we go. We're going to pull those off. That one's good to go. Now we're ready to set the door. Bottom goes in first. Just like so. And we're done. No, we're not done. Got a few other things to do. I like to set my doors with a pass load. Very awesome tool, about 400 bucks, but worth every single penny. We're gonna open up the door. I always hit the door jamb side first, the swing side. That side needs to be the most secure, obviously, because it's got the hinges. I like to pop a couple in place just so we can adjust it, move it where we need it. Make sure your plastic's all tucked in good and tight. Alright, now we can work with the door without it moving on us. How do you know where to set the door? Well, you set the door so where your brick mold can lay flush up there and be flat up against the stud and the jamb. It's gonna go just like that. It's not all cocked out, it's not all cocked in. We're just getting flat, which means on the other side, it's gonna be flush with the edge of your drywall, so your casing's gonna be able to go on the back side. Here's where we start our adjustments. Obviously, this door isn't closing, which means one side is gonna need to go up, maybe both sides. It's close, so we're going to need at least one side to go up just a little bit. So we're going to try the hinge side first. Get your super bar under there, and you can use your 1 foot, prop it up like so, and see how the door's working. Alright, the door is shutting with no problem, and it's doing awesome. So we're going to go to our hardware pack. Comes with hinge screws, and that's going to go right into your jamb. Alright, I think we're shutting good. There we go. We got our jamb side secured. Let's go ahead and put the third screw in the middle. Alright, that's pretty. Next we're going to shim the door. We got our hinge side right, but our jamb side looks a little funky. You can see how I can get a finger in on this side. It's tighter up here, tighter at the bottom, which means we need to bring the jamb over so it makes a nice tight seal. So we're going to use some shim. These are cedar shims. You can shim it from the outside or inside, doesn't matter. But basically we're just going to bring it up over to where our door fits nice and tight. Alright, so we're looking good. We're going to throw a couple more in there, just wherever it's bowed out a little bit. Put your shims. Don't jam it in too tight or you're not going to make it work. There we go. We got the same line all the way down. Looks like it's about a hefty 1/4 inch. And we're about ready to go. A couple nails in it just to hold it in place. We're all shimmed. Next we're going to take some exterior screws and screw the other side. I like to put mine behind the weather stripping. That way you're not going to see the screw. There you go. And we probably need at least 3 in here. One at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. You don't want to put too much pressure on it and draw it over too far, then your door is not going to shut right. Now that our door is all screwed together, we're going to take the brick mold All the nails from before, we're just going to clip them off. Pair of side cutters. It's easier than pulling them all. Clip, clip, clip. There we go. Alright, we've got all our brick mold clipped. We're going to pull our shims. You can just break them off. There we go. Stubborn ones, knock with a hammer. There we go. I think these got wet. There we go. Alright, now the brick mold's ready to go back on. We're just going to fit it back on there, leaving about a 1/4 inch reveal. There we go. Leave you about a 1/4 inch right there. And shoot it on with your handy dandy pass load. Alright, now we shoot our last piece of brick mold on. Our door's all in, it's shutting nice. We're not going to worry about insulating it because it's a shed door. All that's left to do is caulk the jamb, caulk the to the brick mold, and then paint the exterior jamb, which is from the threshold forward. You can paint the door if you wish. We're going to paint the door, but save you the hassle of watching us do that. So for HomeMenderInc.com, this is Dustin, and you just learned how to do a door in about 15 minutes. Thanks for watching.